In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads into Freshsales. Importing your data into Freshsales is one of the most common setup tasks, especially if you're moving over from a spreadsheet or another CRM. The good news is that the process is straightforward once you know where everything is. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full import flow so you can get your records into the system smoothly. To begin, go to your Freshsales dashboard. This is your main starting point, and from here you'll be able to access the area where contact and lead data is managed. Once you're on the dashboard, open the Contacts section. This is where Freshsales stores and organizes the people you want to track, and it's also where the import tool is available. Inside Contacts, click on Import Contacts. This opens the import wizard, which will guide you through the file upload and setup process. Next, select CSV or Excel as your import source. This is the best option if your data currently lives in a spreadsheet. You may also notice other import options depending on your account, such as importing from external tools or services. Those can be useful in different situations, but if you already have a spreadsheet file ready, CSV or Excel is the most direct and practical choice. After selecting that option, click Next. On the following screen, choose Contacts. This tells Freshsales what type of records you're importing. Even if you're thinking of them as leads, this step is about selecting the destination record type inside the platform, so make sure Contacts is selected here. Then click Next again. Now click Upload File and select your CSV or Excel file from your computer. Before uploading, it's always a good idea to make sure your spreadsheet columns are clearly labeled, because that helps Freshsales recognize and organize the data correctly during the next step. Once the file has been uploaded, click Next. Freshsales will automatically map your contacts, which means it will try to match your spreadsheet columns to the correct fields in the CRM. This saves time and reduces manual work, so you can quickly review the setup and continue. When everything looks good, click Import Now. At this point, Freshsales will begin processing the file. Depending on how many records you're importing, this may take a little time, so just wait for the import to finish. Once it's complete, your contacts will be available in your Freshsales account and ready for you to manage, organize, and follow up on. And that's how to import contacts into your Freshsales account. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.